When cutting aluminium, it's essential to use the right metalworking tools to achieve a straight and clean line. In this video, we'll utilise the following safety equipment and tools: safety glasses, gloves, tape measure, pencil, masking tape, set square, metal work files, angle grinder, 1mm thick metal disc for cutting aluminium, metal grit flap disc for deburring aluminium, and touch-up paint. Mark the cut lines using a set square and pencil on all sides. Apply easy peel masking tape to outline the line on either side of the cut, ensuring minimal heat exposure to the PPC film. An angle grinder fitted with a 1mm thick blade is the ideal tool for cutting aluminium. To achieve a straight cut, begin by cutting the drip edges on both sides, then turn and cut along both down stands before proceeding to cut along the main width surface. Take your time to ensure the best results. After finishing the cutting, switch the angle grinder blade to a flap disc for deburring all the cut edges. Finish with a half round file on the flat side to smooth the edges, moving the file away from you in long even strokes to create crisp edges suitable for painting. Be sure to brush away the filings as you file to prevent any marks or damage to the rest of the painted surface. Now apply 2 coats of touch-up paint to seal all the cut edges. Undercoating is not necessary. If multiple cuts are needed, set up a workstation with trestles to create a platform to work from. For more information or advice, please contact us on 0330 223 1731 or email us at sales@guttercentre.co.uk.